When I say bananas, you say peppers. And today we're starting a new series right here on this channel called Let's Unbox Random Boxes that I find around my house, which I know sounds strange, but you guys, so funny because I was talking to Snap Swamp Fam a couple weeks ago and I was saying like, oh, this year, I really want to exercise. I really want to get in shape. And somebody commented that they've been watching me since 2014 and that ever since that time, I always say like my goals are, I'm gonna get in shape. And one of my other goals that I feel like I'm always talking about on every channel, every social media is like deep cleaning and organizing. And so I feel like these are just like things that I perpetually need to be working on in my life. I feel like I always have something that I could clean a little bit better, organize a little bit better. Like I always need to be doing a little bit of fitness. And so I feel like sometimes I get like hyper focused on these goals and then I quit. It's like never really a problem that I feel like I fully like complete that task. Although I guess like fitness and organizing, it's kind of just like a life, like just something you do, I feel like for the span of your life. I don't feel like it's ever anything like in either sector that I would be like, all right, I've exercised and now I'm done. I think like I should just try and do these things like a couple times per week. I'm trying to like set like reasonable goals for myself so that I don't just like hyper focus and then like burn out because I do too much cleaning or too much exercising. Guys, now I am just rambling. The other thing is I feel like I am perpetually cleaning this filming room and then destroying the filming room. Like literally I will film like a week's worth of videos in here. Like this room will be spotless and then I'll film for a week and it will literally look like somebody call TLC. I need to be on an episode of Hoarders. That's kind of what I'm trying to do, like especially when the weather is like so gross. I feel like that's something else I'm just perpetually talking about, especially in like January, February. Can you guys hear it? The pouring rain today. So yeah, especially when it's like really gross outside, I'm trying to maybe not exercise as much because like who wants to do that cold? So I'm trying to kind of like focus on cleaning right now. Something that I do from time to time for a multitude of reasons is I will buy something with the intention of like filming with it usually, and then like I don't know, you guys, like sometimes I'm just scrolling late at night and I'm like, oh, that would make an amazing video, and then like it takes a long time to come in the mail. Sometimes it just like gets lesser prioritized because I think filming other content would be better. You guys, I've got some boxes. I want to say I probably have maybe 8 right now. 8 boxes that I don't even know for how many years I've had some of these boxes never opened. Sometimes I will buy something on Poshmark. It'll be like somebody's used item, and then sometimes I get like a little superstitious about it. So I just like, I'm like, well, I'll open that later. These 2, I thought we would do 2 today. This was an accidental subscription. I bought a Reborn from a company called Ashton Drake. I don't know how like popular they are, but I just wanted one. And I honestly don't know how long I've had these boxes. They've just been here under my desk in the filming room. I don't remember when I bought the original one, but they came out with these really cute alien reborn dolls. Small silicone alien reborn dolls. And I thought I was just buying one of them. Well, it turns out it was like some kind of subscription. So this very well may be another alien, and I'm just opening this one out of curiosity's sake because literally it's flat. What could literally be in here? But it also says Ashton Drake, and I know that's like the Reborn. I don't know if they make like other dolls or Reborns. You know what? I have to go get the other alien doll just so I can show you guys. We can have the whole story. I feel like this was the first Ashton Drake alien doll. It's not the silicone one I was just talking about, but this is kind of like the first like alien reborn doll that I ever saw in my life. Now he's like a hard plastic, like more traditional baby doll. I think that they did call this a Reborn, but like, would you guys consider this a Reborn? I feel like that's a silly question because I know lots of people have vinyl Reborn dolls. I even have a couple in my collection, but for some reason Reborn doll in my head, I'm just thinking like the squishy silicone kind. You guys, brain fart. So yeah, before I started ordering these, I ordered this one, and I ordered it piece of cake, no subscription, just this one single doll, this one single shopping experience. Amazing. And honestly, I'm sure it's my own fault because I'm sure there was like some teeny tiny terms and conditions when I was checking out, and there you have it. So I started just getting these boxes in the mail, and for the longest time I couldn't figure out how to cancel the subscription because like I don't even know, I think maybe some of them even looked the same. The original small silicone doll, I'll see if I can just put a picture of it in here. It kind of looked like the baby version of that one, but it was like a traditional gray little looking alien, and that's kind of like when I think alien, you know. So I think the other ones like had other, I don't know, eyeballs, or they were like yellow or something, which now that I'm saying that, it sounds kind of cool. So let's just open it, you guys. Oh my god. Oh, we have the silica gel packet, which, oh my god, I just seen somebody on TikTok like throw these back as if they were mini M&Ms. So I guess I should not be as scared of silica gel packets as I have always been. So we have a certificate, and this is what it is, you guys. Oh, what's going on there? Oh, he's blue. Okay, this one is honestly cute. I'm kind of sad I left it in the box. Time to wake up, little buddy. Oh, he's kind of sticky. It's because he's been in this box. Oh my god, can he be revived? I have some powder, and I feel like if we powder him, he'll be fine. This one, look, I spent the first 10 minutes of this video complaining about a subscription I didn't think I wanted, and look at how adorable this is. He kind of not only gives off like alien vibes, but also like Creature from the Black Lagoon a little bit. The eyes are just like painted. They are really squishy. I'm honestly like quite impressed with this little guy. I don't remember the other one being this squishy, but I also don't remember him being this sticky. Very exciting. And they come in this little gold blanket with a little pacifier. Did we unbox the other one? I kind of like remember having this experience. So let's see what this is. Clothes, maybe? The only thing is I feel like these were kind of expensive. I don't remember how expensive. Y'all, what is this video? Okay, it's a bed? Does anyone know what this is? Silica gel packet. Oh? Insert batteries before pressing here. What on earth is this, y'all? Oh my god. It's supposed to maybe like hold them all? I'm trying to see what this is called. What is it called? Battery installation and operating. UFO display. We need LR44 batteries. This may be like a continuation video because you guys, I don't think I have LR44 just laying around. Although, are those Tamagotchi batteries? I would love to know how much this cost for them to not provide LR44 batteries. Yeah, empty, nothing, nobody's home. You guys, I kind of feel like these are items that are too expensive to not include batteries. What do y'all think about this UFO display? I feel like they could have been a little bit more imaginative with the flying saucer design here. But now I need to find his little friend. Oh my gosh, look, he's just rolling around in there. Okay, I'm gonna go get the powder that I use for reborns. It's so interesting because it honestly feels like there's something in the head with like a silicone exterior. I kind of feel like I've heard about that before, where there's like vinyl or something inside to help the silicone keep its shape, and then you have like the silicone covering so it's squishy. Let me see. Let me go grab the powder and the brush, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, Avatar baby. I've had this powder to powder my reborns since I only had the single original Avatar baby. This was a pretty old powder at the time, but this is like one of my favorite powders to use because it adds just a little bit of shimmer. So I feel like that's why I like switched an old one to using for Avatar baby, because I thought how magical, powder with little shimmers in it, and I'm using using this old Moda brush because the handle is starting to get a little bit funky. So I'm gonna try like the back of him first because I'm a little nervous. See, oh look, he's getting like really nice and soft. I feel like it looks scary at first. It still looks a little scary, honestly. Maybe he's not as bright blue as he was, but you guys, like, he's so sticky. Like, I feel like you can, yeah, like, look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and then like, look at the difference. Like, no stickiness whatsoever. Get your makeup done. I'm probably like excessively powdering because I feel like, you know, the eyeballs, like he doesn't, oh, dropped him. The eyeballs like don't look as glossy. Bear with me today. Today is like the first day also that I'm trying to like fix my sleeping schedule. And because I only do things in a silly, goofy way, I decided I was gonna like fix my sleeping schedule by waking up at 6 a.m. today. Like, you guys, we usually don't even go to bed until 6 a.m. I am like just a nocturnal person, but I'm like, maybe I'd be more productive if I was awake during the day, not a super rainy day like this. You guys, like the rain is like, y'all have to hear that. Like sheets of rain are just like blowing. All right, there we go. I'm trying to think, maybe I can just like rinse his eyeballs off, or maybe after time they will get glossier again. I mean, it's not that bad. It's not that big of a deal. He definitely feels so much nicer. It is really interesting because like definitely it feels like there's like a bouncy ball or something in the head. But you guys, he's really cute. I'm honestly excited. Like, I thought it was just basically going to be the exact same alien, just in like another color. But I'm glad he has like the little fins, and I feel like he has a slightly different facial expression as well. And you guys know I love aliens, so honestly, what am I complaining about? I'm excited to see if he'll fit in my little like reborn chair, like my little passenger princess. I feel like I talk about this now in every reborn video, but it is honestly a super cute little accessory, which I do get off of AliExpress. I see people like upselling them all the time now. Like, they're like usually around anywhere from like $27 to like $40 on AliExpress. I see people selling them for like $100 or more. But yeah, I feel like it is a really cute accessory, like especially if you like to have like little whimsical things around you, you know? So I'm curious to see, like, will he sit in that chair and will he look cute as a little passenger princess? Stay tuned to find out. Well, that's it, you guys. That is it for today. I'm also like a little bit lukewarm on this. Hopefully I have a clip in here somewhere. Hopefully I can get some LR44 batteries and we can see. There's a speaker on here, so I don't know if it's gonna light up at all. I swear I saw something about lights, but maybe it just makes sounds. But hopefully I have a clip in here of this bad boy working. So how many of these are we gonna find, you guys? How many of these dolls were supposed to fit in this UFO? I don't know, but I love him. I'm kind of like lukewarm on this. But that is it for the first episode of weird random stuff. We're probably gonna find clothes. We're gonna find, I don't know, maybe another reborn, maybe like something else totally weird and random. I don't know. Stay tuned. Very random video today. Random. Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below. Subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!